Ako ata isa sa pinaka-excited nung nalaman kong lilipat na sila dito sa South. Well, kiligs all over talaga kasi one of my go-to restos for Vietnamese food is finally here in the South. Finally, Propaganda Bistro is here in Molito. And can I just say, I mean well when I say, parang better tasting ata yung food nila dito sa Molito compared to nasa Greenbelt pa sila. And definitely, mas maaliwalas yung ambience. And ayun na nga, as per checking with the staff, they made improvements nga sa menu. And it's not as if naman di siya super tasty before. But now, flavors are more authentic to the ones I had in Ho Chi Minh. Like their beef na mas prominent na yung lemongrass and you can actually taste the cilantro. But still maintained na light pa rin siya. Tapos kayo na bahala kung gusto niyo palagyan ng hoisin and sriracha. And yung vegetables crisp and fresh. Love the barbecue pork banh mi filling. Very flavorful yung liver pate. And yung succulent na mismong pork. For me, over toast lang yung mismong banh mi. And mas prefer ko lang yung may chewy softness pa din. For appetizer, must order pa rin yung fresh prawn roll paired with their tangy and slightly spicy vinaigrette. Another must order is the bun with lemongrass beef. Akala ko it comes with crispy spring roll, so wala pa. But the beef is actually pretty tender and tasty. Again, you can taste the lemongrass, may subtle sweetness. So best talaga siya with the vinaigrette. Pag nandito din kami, parati namin in-order yung crunchy tricolor rice bowl. This time with marinated grilled prawns. We love the play on textures ito. It's soft, may konting crunchy. Savory siya na may konting kick ng umami from the sauce. And lastly for dessert, sticky coconut rice with fresh mango. They really nailed the texture of the rice. Sariling preference ko lang, mas prefer ko na may konting salt yung cream. Overall, I'm so happy na Propaganda Bistro is here na in Molito. And dagdag option na naman kapag nandito kami. Enjoy!